In the 1970s, Dr. Gustavo Bounous had a vision. He initiated clinical research on a groundbreaking natural protein that would improve people's immune system. We live in an era where our bodies are exposed to many threats. The immune system is what protects you, keeps you safe from the threats of this increasingly challenging world. His dream was to help improve the immune system of people around the world. A dream of people living better. Let's look at the result of his work, our signature product, Immunocal. What is Immunocal? Immunocal is a patented, unique, and specially formulated 100% natural protein that has been clinically demonstrated to help maintain your immune system. Why do we emphasize natural? If we were to change this protein, even a little bit from the way you find it in nature, it would not work. What does Immunocal do? Well, in simplest terms, it promotes a healthy immune system. This is what keeps you healthy. This is what keeps you alive. It enhances physical performance. It enhances your mental performance. Now, who do you know who couldn't benefit from feeling faster, stronger, more focused, healthier, or from having more energy? There are two major advantages to Immunocal. Number one, all edible proteins can be measured for their value to the human body. One such measurement is the BV, or biological value. When you compare the BV of Immunocal to any other protein in the world, eggs, fish, beef, soy, Immunocal is by far the most valuable protein you can eat. Number two, Immunocal raises a substance already in your body called glutathione. You may not have heard of glutathione until now. Soon everybody will be using the word glutathione the same way as you use the word antioxidant. There are over 150,000 articles in published medical literature describing the benefits of glutathione. The list of benefits for your body is incredible, and the four most important can be identified by the word I.D.E.A. I stands for the immune system. People with low glutathione levels have a low immune system. People with high glutathione levels have a much stronger immune system. Think of glutathione as food for your immune function. D stands for detoxification. The highest levels of glutathione to be found in your body is in your liver, your major organ of detoxification. Every cell in your body requires glutathione to get rid of toxins, to get rid of pollutants, so you can live better. E represents energy. Mitochondria, those little structures in each cell that act as energy batteries, would literally overheat and burn up without a constant supply of glutathione. Glutathione neutralizes free radicals that ultimately slow down energy production. Finally, A for antioxidant. Besides vitamin C and vitamin E, we know of over 2,000 antioxidants in science. None of the other antioxidants we know of can work without the presence of glutathione, and this is why people call glutathione the master antioxidant. There are a lot of natural products out there, but how do you make a choice? It all comes down to credibility. When you look at who's been behind the development of Immunocal, it reads like a who's who of research scientists and renowned universities. This extends over 40 years and resulted in over 70 published papers in the medical literature. Although Immunocal is a natural substance, it could be found in the prestigious American PDR, Physician's Desk Reference, and the Canadian CPS, Compendium of Pharmaceutical Specialties. These are books that sit on the desk of every single doctor and every single pharmacist in North America. Everybody deserves this product. Everybody needs this product. Whether you're young or old, whether you're sick or healthy, whether you're living an active lifestyle or winning one day at a time, there isn't a person who couldn't benefit from Immunocal. It's not unreasonable to expect to see us coming close to fulfilling Dr. Bounous' dream of a healthier world. Countless people around the world are already reaping its benefits. In fact, it has been said that Immunocal is the most important nutritional supplement you will ever use. So now is the time for you to experience Immunocal. Help us make this world a place where people are living better.